Good morning. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're enjoying a little mountain walk. Hey, bud. Say hi. Wanted to talk about energy today. Specifically, cultivating energy, especially when you're feeling low or you're noticing that your energy levels are declining. Maybe you're waking up and you're just in an energetic funk every day. So I like to think about it like this. You have things that affect your biology or biochemical input, and then you have the psychological side of this as well. If you don't first address the things that impact your biology, then you're always going to be in a lowered energetic state. So start there. I'm talking about sleep, getting enough sleep, quality of sleep. That's number one. Making sure you're hydrated. You try this next time you're feeling low energy, just drink a bunch of water and then see how you feel in a few minutes. Sunlight. We know that humans can do what's called photobiomodulation, which is like our own form of photosynthesis. There's a cool study done on this actually where they compared two groups. One group consumed chlorophyll-rich spirulina and chlorella, and then they went and were exposed to the sunlight, and they produced, I forget how much it was, but way more ATP, way more energy from being exposed to sunlight. So even here in the Pacific Northwest, we get sun less than half of the year here. Going outside on a cloudy day, even a rainy day, you can still harness the benefits of that. Expose your face to the sky. You absorb a lot of vitamin D through your eyes as well. So go outside, get some fresh air, get some of that sunlight. Obviously what you eat plays a big role in your energy levels. Staying away from processed foods, all of that. What else we got? We got water, sleep, sunlight. Oh yeah, movement. Right, a body in stagnation is a dying body. So what's the opposite of stagnation? It's change. You gotta change up your pattern. Even if you're stuck at a desk all day, you can do stretches in your chair and not even have to get up. You know, go for a walk during lunch. Do something just to change up your patterns. Things that expend energy give you energy. It sounds counterintuitive, but it's true. So once you've got all those things in order, there's still going to be a decline in energy throughout the day. It's pretty much unavoidable, right? We all experience this. Yeah, you know, during lunch, maybe you had a heavy lunch, a bunch of carbs in it. Maybe you didn't even have lunch. Maybe you just powered through the day and you're just hustling. You're gonna experience a decline in energy. So this is when I like to look to the psychological side of things. First, you have to bring your awareness to it. Tell me if this sounds familiar. At that time, maybe around 2 p.m., you start feeling it. You start feeling your energy shift. You take a bit of a dip. Now, what most of us do in this situation is we just kind of push it to the side and we keep grinding. We keep pushing forward. What I recommend is bring your awareness to it, walk towards it, become hyper aware of that so that you can identify it and then shift. Do something to shift and cultivate some energy. So for me, when I think of this, I think of your why. I think of forward thinking, vision, visualization, getting excited about something, being present, gratitude, thinking about what you can be grateful for. All of these things, and this has been proven through many scientific studies. They have a physiological impact on your body and your energetic states, right? There's been studies that showed that people who practice gratitude experienced increased strength and muscle tension, lowered blood pressure, and just a list of different health benefits, including extended lifespan and longevity.
Tell them about the vision board.
Yeah, like make a vision board. Set up some pictures of your family and some things that you are wanting to create in your life around your desk space in your office. And just take a moment around 2 o'clock to reset. Go for a walk, take a cold shower, do something that expends energy, and then practice some freedom to thinking, some forward thinking. See what that does to your energy levels. I guarantee you that'll carry you through the day. And then instead of finishing your work day and being exhausted and then going home and not being present and wanting to turn everything off and just turn on Netflix and turn into a zombie, you're going to find yourself going home excited, looking back at the day and thinking, wow, that was a really good day. And that energy is going to sustain you so that you have more time to be present and happy and then enjoy the feeling of higher energetic states all the way till the end of your day. What's that going to lead to? That's going to lead to you getting up with more energy, excited about the day, excited about the week. So I hope this video is of value to you. If this video resonated with you, feel free to reach out. Send me a message. We'll start a chat about how I can help you achieve higher energetic states. All right. Have a wonderful day. Talk soon.